Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study practice set 2.1, first question of that, of standard 9 algebra. Now question is, classify the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. Now terminate means what? Terminate means stop and non-terminate means non-stop. After division, if we get remainder 0, then that type is terminating. That decimal form is terminating. And if we don't get remainder 0 and continuously that division is going on, that is called non-terminating, and recurring means repetition. In that division, one digit or group of digits will repeat. That digit will come again and again. For example, 2, 2, 2, 2 or 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Group of digits will repeat. That is called non-terminating recurring. Now in this question, we have to classify. Some rational numbers are given and we have to classify them into terminating and non-terminating. Let's see example number 1. First is 13 upon 5. In this fraction, 13 is dividend and 5 is divisor. Now we have to solve it. And after solution, we will decide that which type of decimal form that is. Now let's divide. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Subtraction, 13 minus 10, 3. Now take 0 on 3 and at the same time put decimal point here. Now that is decimal fraction. Again 5 6 are 30. Remainder 0. And now see here, as we got remainder 0, division is stopped. That's why this is terminating type. Therefore we can write here 13 upon 5 is terminating rational number. Now let's see example number 2. 2 upon 11. In this fraction, 2 is dividend and 11 is divisor. Now here, dividend is smaller than divisor. That's why first we divide by 0. 11 into 0, 0. Subtraction 2. Right? Now take 0 here and at the same time put decimal point. 0 point. It becomes decimal fraction now. Now continue division. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22. 1s are. Subtraction 20 minus 11, 9. Again take 0. Again 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88, 2. And now see here, 2 is come. Again if we take 0, 11 1s are 11. Again subtraction 9. Again 0. 11 8s are 88. Subtraction 2. Dear friends, here these two numbers will come again and again. 20, 90, 20, 90 in this way. And this group, now here you see 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. Repetition of 1, 8. Here, that's why I draw one bar or dash on 18, 1, 8. It means that the group of two digits, that is 1, 8, is repeating. That's why this is recurring. And we don't get remainder 0, that's why non-terminating. Division in non-stop, that's why non-terminate, and 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8 group is repeating, that's why that is recurring. Therefore we can write here 2/11 is non-terminating recurring rational number. Let's see the example number 3. In example number 3, 29 is dividend and 16 is divisor. Now here 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 2s are greater, that's why 1s are 16, 1s are 16. Subtraction now, 9 minus 6, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. Now here you take 0 and at the same time put decimal point here. Now here 16, 6s are 8s are 16 8s are 16 8s are 128. Subtraction 130 minus 128 2. Take 0. 16 ones are 16. Subtraction 20 minus 16 4. Again 0, we have to continue. 16 3s are greater, 16 2s are 32. 40 minus 32 8, again 0, 80. We have to continue till we get repetition of a digit. 80. 5s are 16 5s are 80. Remainder 0. Means division is stopped. Division is stopped means that is terminating. Therefore 29/16 is terminating rational number. Let's see example number 4. In example number 4, 125 is divisor, 17 is dividend. Dividend is smaller than divisor. First divide by 0. 0 here. 17 minus 0, 17. Take 0, put decimal point. 125, 1s are 125. Subtraction 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 45. Take 0. 450. 125, 3s are 375. 125, 2s are 250, 3s are 375. 10 minus 5, 5. 15 minus, or here 45 minus 38, 7. One more 0, 750. 25, 6s are 750. Remainder 0. That's why this is terminating. 17/125 is terminating rational number. Example number 5. 11 is dividend, 6 is divisor. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. 11 minus 6, 5. Take 0, decimal point. 8s are 48. 50 minus 48, 2, 0. 6 3s are 18. 20 minus 18, 2, 0. 6 3s are again 18. Now see here, again 2 is repeating. 2, only one digit repeats, that is 3. Therefore 11/6 is now here, that is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring rational number.